here. Today I'm going to draw Best Teacher, and these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so I'm going to draw an apple, and we're going to start off with a curved shape, just like that. Okay, and we're going to bring it down all the way across, and then we're going to bring it back up, curved shape, and we're going to join it. Apples are not all perfect. They come in different shapes. So I'm going to draw the stem, okay, and the little leaf. All right. So now I'm going to draw sort of like a little opening. So letter C, okay, we'll leave it like that. And I'm going to make it look like the teacher's coming out of the apple. So the teacher's sort of like the worm. All right, so we're just going to do sort of like a funny cartoon, and that's the head, letter U. We're going to draw the neck 2 lines down, and then the arms will be extended up, and then we're going to join the line, and then again up, across, and down, and we're going to join it with the body, okay? 2 oval shapes for the hands, okay? We're going to draw a little loop here for the neck. And you can give your teacher whatever hairstyle. Okay. And so I'm just going to add a little bit of style to the outfit, a little belt here. Okay. And for the whole, I'm just going to close it a little bit here. Okay. Now the face, we'll add some details. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. So 1, 2. I'm going to shade in the pupil, 2 eyebrows, little nose, and a happy smile. Okay. And we're going to print Best Teacher. So all uppercase letters, B-E-S-T for best, and then teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, because teachers are amazing. Okay, we work hard, we plan a lot of wonderful lessons, we care for our students. Okay, so a nice little drawing Best Teacher card will do to make teachers feel special. Okay, so I'm going to color the apple red, but you can choose either green or yellow, because there are red apples, yellow apples, and green apples. Okay, so whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to quickly color around it. Okay, now if you want, you can just, present this to your teacher as a nice, cute little drawing. I receive so many drawings from my students, and I save all of them, and I like to hang them up on my bulletin board for everyone to see. Or you can turn this into a little card. You can fold it in half, and you can add to it some more drawings. Maybe if your teacher has a favorite pet, you can draw their pet, or you can write a nice little teacher poem if you like as well. Okay, so I'm also going to color the stem brown. Okay, and the leaf green, and the outfit purple. You can choose whatever color you prefer. Maybe your teacher has a favorite color. You can ask your teacher what their favorite color is. Okay, so I'm coloring the hair brown. Again, you can use whatever color you prefer. And I'm going to color the face just like with the pale pink, and the neck and the hands, and inside the hole I'm going to use gray. Okay? All right, so I'm just going to continue to go around it in case there's some little spots I missed. Now, you could also use markers if you like. So before I go, I do have a joke to share with you, and if you like, you can share it with your teacher. So it goes like this. Why did the teacher write on the window? Because she wanted the lesson to be very clear. And I hope today's lesson was very clear as well. Okay, my friends, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.